In today's video, we're going to talk about how to save $1,000 and not only save it, but save it fast. If you are here for the very first time, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. So make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel. If you're a returning bestie, hey girl, hey. All right, let's get into it. So I did this poll and you guys told me that you wanted all of these videos. So the first video that I gave to you is how to budget on a low income. So if you haven't checked out that video, I'll leave it linked. In today's video, this was the second highest rated video, and you wanted to know how to save $1,000 fast. We know I'm on a mission to help 1,000 women save $1,000 because I feel like once you can save $1,000, that unlocks your financial potential. So let's get into it. Number one, save lump sums of money. Currently, we are in tax season. So some of us, not everybody, will be getting large return checks. What I will suggest that you do is that you take $1,000 and put it over in your savings account. Boom, bop, bam, you're done. You have saved your $1,000. If you have that amount to spare and you are able to save it, I would really recommend that you do so. There are other people who may receive sign-on bonuses from work. You may receive just regular bonuses from your job, and I will encourage you to take $1,000 out of that lump sum and save that money. But that is the perfect time when you receive a large lump sum, but you take that $1,000 and allocate it to savings. Number two, this one I really love, and it's really fun, and that's to do savings challenges. So you know, if you are not new to this channel, I have done savings challenges, and there are other budgeters who've done many saving challenges as well. And it just makes it a fun way for you to save money without actually feeling like you're saving money. And over time, depending upon which challenge it is that you choose, you can choose challenges like save $1,000 in 30 days, save $1,000 in 3 months, and it'll tell you how much money it is that you need to save, and you just put that money aside from your paychecks or any side hustles it is that you're doing. So I really would recommend doing savings challenges. Also doing a no spend challenge, kind of like what we're doing right now on the channel. All of the besties in the community, we are saving money. I just did a live yesterday, and a lot of the besties were telling me that they've already saved about $500 to $1,000 just alone by doing this challenge. And you never know how much you can save when you stop spending on impulse purchases or purchases that you don't necessarily need. You can save more money than you think you can. So I would encourage for you to do savings challenges alongside with no spend challenges, and you will be able to save $1,000 faster than you think, my friend. Number three, selling goods and services. Rather you have things laying around the house or you can sell a skill, there's money to be made. And let's get into how you can sell your goods and services. So first, I would recommend that you just take a look around your home, do some decluttering, and see what can you sell. So now let's talk about selling your skills, because yes, you have something valuable to offer. Think about things that you're already good at. What do you do well? Do you budget well? Do you organize? What are people constantly asking you to teach them how to do? Yes, you can sell that. Is it house cleaning? Is it, writing? There are many things that you can do that will make you money. Listen, I need a cleaner right now because I don't like cleaning my home, and that is something that I am willing to pay for. So yes, if you have a skill, it is time to put that skill to work and make some money so that you can save $1,000 fast. Number four, automate your savings. Set it and forget it. Now listen, I'm gonna tell you, okay? Don't automate your savings and then log into your savings to transfer that money back to your checking and then spend it. Because that was me all day. I did that for so long. It was crazy. But yes, automate your savings. Make it easy. Determine out of your budget how much you can comfortably save each month or each paycheck and automate it. Just have that money automatically go to your savings account. That way you don't have to do the manual work of going in to log in and actually transfer the money over. Before you know it, your money will grow, right? Especially if you have it in a high yield savings account, and you will make, or save rather, $1,000 fast. And number 5, side hustles. This will forever and always be in the lineup because let's just be honest. Sometimes our 9 to 5 just doesn't cut it. It doesn't stretch that far, and it doesn't allow you the additional money that you need to be able to save. So how can you do this and make it easy, right? So you don't have to do a side hustle forever. You can do a side hustle for a certain amount of time until you hit the goal it is that you're looking to hit. So if that's 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you decide and you determine how long you want to do this side hustle to make extra money. What are some of the things that you love? Once again, what do you enjoy doing where it doesn't feel like work? And if it's just gonna feel like work, you still might have to make that sacrifice. I mean, you just might have to do it because in stating like you may be able to do overtime at work, but you really don't want to. But if that's going to yield you the additional funds that you need to be able to save money, then you just may have to make that sacrifice and pick up those extra hours. But if there's something else that you can do, cook, clean, do Uber, or I don't even know if I think Uber is still a thing, right? Or you can do DoorDash. I know a lot of people are doing DoorDash right now, and they're making sometimes like $300 a day. I don't know how, but that's just what they said. But what do you do for fun? For example, I do YouTube. This is now my main hustle, but before, when I had a 9 to 5, it was my side hustle. I was able to make sometimes anywhere between $2,000 to $5,000 just in 1 month. And of course, I already had the $1,000 to just go ahead and save. So I will really encourage you, if you want to start a YouTube channel, start that YouTube channel. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing, make money with affiliate marketing. You don't always have to show your face. You can do faceless channels. You can do faceless affiliate marketing. There are many things that you can do, but find what you love doing or what doesn't really feel like work. And if you can't, maybe just find something that you know how to do so that you can make that extra money and you can save it. Listen, saving money is not easy. I get it. I wasn't able to save $1,000 until I was able to save $1,000. And that wasn't until I was well into my 30s. So let me encourage you. You can do it. First, you have to believe that you can do it. I will always tell you, the mind comes before the action. So you have to believe that you can save $1,000. You can save $500. You can save whatever it is that you've never saved before. But once you get past your belief and your faith in yourself, then it's just time to get to work. It's time to get to work. If one thing doesn't work, then you try something else. If that doesn't work, then you try something else, but you never give up because you can do it. I am here on this side of the screen as a living witness that you can do it. Like I just stated, I didn't save my first $1,000 until I was in my 30s. In all of my 20s, I never thought for 1 second that I could save $1,000, even though I would receive lump sums of money because I was one of the ones that was getting those large tax checks, but also spending them as soon as I got them. Y'all know I got stories for days. But today we're talking about saving $1,000. So just know that you can do it. I believe in you. Now I need you guys to do something for me. I need you to put down in the comments any other ways that you can save $1,000 fast. I gave you 5 ways, but I know that there's more than just 5 ways that you can make $1,000 fast. So load up the comments. We need suggestions. We need tips on how we can do this as a community, because we are going to save $1,000 fast, okay? If you have any other questions, leave them down below. Make sure you guys are following me for more content like this. It has been amazing. It's been real. I will see you in the next video. Go be great, besties. Peace out.
You're special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is